other than position, you're in a sport bike position as well, right?
Okay.
So, but very well balanced. I say take it to highway.
And as soon as you put the kickstand on, what happens?
Raise stand.
Okay, so now it, like,
So
even
now
if you turn the
raise
throttle.
stand up again, yeah, nothing's gonna happen now because it's orange.
Okay.
So nothing's there.
Okay, so that's
Gotta
the
be
kind of like the
green.
safety for it.
Right. So you bring the stand up.
And as soon as
you
it
have to
turns
hit
green.
Start again.
Ah, okay.
So yeah.
It's kind of weird to get used to because you don't know if it's running.
Yeah. Well, you do. You just gotta.
Yeah.
Different running, right?
Yeah.
So,
You don't hear it.
But it does pulse too.
Okay.
So when you sit on it, you'll feel a pulse.
Okay.
Right. So it's.
And you'll
Harley.
hear probably a whistle.
When you're
whatever.
rolling, you'll hear a whine.
Yeah, whine sound.
It's a motor whine, right?
Okay.
Holy shit, ça a pas de bruit ça? You don't hear anything.
Not quite. Once it goes.
I'm giving a ride on a the Harley electric bike. The Livewire. Damn, this thing is quiet, but it's got a lot of pull on the takeoff. I gotta take the 103. This thing is crazy. Oh my God. This thing has got acceleration like you wouldn't believe. It just, you twist that throttle and it just kicks. The Harley Livewire. Here we go. Let's give you a sample again. Watch this thing take off. full stop. I gotta watch traffic. Here, let's look at the acceleration on this thing. Okay? I'll do my best to show you. Here we go. We're almost trickling. Go. Unbelievable. The pull this thing has as soon as you rip away with it. Unbelievable. I gotta get back on track here. Unbelievable. Let's look at the GPS. Where the hell are we? Okay, here we go. Complete stop. Look at the speed. This thing blows my mind. The power. I would get speeding tickets with this on a regular basis. Speed on this thing when I take off from the lights. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my God. I want 2 of these. Holy crap, this thing goes.